medium enterprise development, Simon Chelugui.
Tinga kiechio Dr. Ruto na bagakoraria chinsemo au echio omokonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua arachie gokora emirimo ase okubwatirana na bawaziri bonsi nere erio kurwa bokoreri burubu yago chase abananchi.
The Deputy President will deputize the President in the execution of all President's functions that are allowed by the Constitution and law. He will chair cabinet committees. He will oversee the implementation of cabinet decisions across all ministries and departments. Number 4, he'll coordinate intergovernmental relations between the national government and the county government, including chairing the Intergovernmental Budget and Economic Council, commonly known as IBEC. He will be the liaison between the constitutional commissions and independent offices in matters that require intervention by the national government, including budgets, policy formulation, and implementation of their